Yeah.
Going on, everyone?
I don't want it.
Sam here with Layton Sports Cards. Ripping 23-24 Bowman University Best Delight 5-box break number 2, random team style. There's a look again at your random results. As always, you can find these all on the website under the results tab as well as a link in chat. So good luck, everybody. Let's do it. Here we go. All right, off we go. Got a Victory Vibes to 50, Ryan Kalkbrenner. That's pretty cool. 26 of 50 for Creighton. Deshaun Harris-Smith. A Rob Dillingham, 6 of 15. There you go, Kentucky. Nice one there. Dilly Dilly. 150, Tyrese Proctor for Duke. There you go, Joshua. Got for Memphis, Javonte Taylor to 99. Yellow to 75, Cody Williams, J-Dub's little brother. Colorado. 150, Myro Little for Baylor. Got first auto is going to be Boogie Ellis. That is gold, 39 of 50. Congrats on that one there at USC. Here you go, USC. Got a Eric Dixon. That is 16 of 50 for Villanova. Congrats, Villanova. And then Reed Shepard. Again, another gold, 20 of 50. 3 gold autos. Congrats on that one there, Kentucky. On to the next. Nice, to 50, Caitlin Clark. Congrats, Iowa. Good lord, man. That is 21 of 50, one off jersey number. That's nasty. We have our first jersey auto, it looks like, a relic auto. Got Scotty Middleton refractor. That is TJ Bamba, 250 for Villanova. 100, Cameron Brink for Stanford. 250, Caitlin Clark, true gold. Congrats, Iowa. What a box for Iowa, man. I think that was Jim, I believe. Yep, Jim M. Congrats, Jim. There you go, buddy. That will that'll work. Get that into a mag for you, my friend. Got Reed Shepard for Kentucky to 150. 299 is Trey Norman for Marquette. Got you, Jim. That is going to be Jamari McDowell as your first auto for Kansas. To 150 or 125 on the refractor. You've got Scotty Middleton on the jersey auto for Ohio State. That I do not believe is numbered. And then Justin Edwards for Kentucky to 125. Everybody, 13 to go on Sapphire. Let's get that filled up. We are getting very close on that one, which is awesome. We've got a Greatness Awaits of Omaha Billiou for Iowa State. Got a Enrique Freeman. To 25, Zayden High. Nice one there at UNC. Unk. To 75 is Cormac Ryan. 299, Kwame Evans for Oregon. Blue to 150, Trey Norman for Marquette. Got Pink Lava to 100, Tyron Lawrence for Vanderbilt. Sean Stewart going to Duke. Here you go, Joshua to 10 of 15. Congrats, buddy. Nice Quan there. Sean Stewart. Got Max Asmus to 125 for Texas. This last one's nasty, dude. Going to Colorado. Orange to 25 on the auto. Cody Williams. 14 to 25. Congrats, Buffs. Let's go, dude. There you go, Colorado. That'll work. Get that into a mag for you. Very nice. Got Jonathan M with 2 Spectra spots. Thank you, Jonathan. Also have Thomas S with the Bears and Phoenix. Thank you, buddy, as well. What's up, Exquisite?
What up, Exquisite?
Dude, look at them over there.
25 orange greatness awaits is Sean Stewart for Duke.
That's what it looks like.
What? Duke.
Duke grenade.
Duke grenade.
Miles Kelly.
Drip, drip, splash.
250 is Mookie Cook. Orange to 25, Diamond Johnson, Norfolk State. Blue to 150, Max Asmus. Did he get his money back?
I hope so.
To 50, Georgia Amore on the True Gold for Vatek. Pink Lava to 100 is Kylan Boswell. Got Scotty Middleton. It's going to be going to Ohio State. Refractor Auto to 125. Got a Santiago Vescovi to 25. Color match for Tennessee on the orange. Very nice. Hey, thank you, Patrick, with an Elite Court Kings mixer spot. Appreciate you, buddy. And Isaiah Collier. Nice one there. Jersey auto for USC. Jim killing it with Iowa and USC. Last box. Like 2 relic autos here. That is 250 Omaha Billiu masterpieces for Iowa State. You've got a Haley Van Lith. Gold to 50 Georgia Amore. 299 is Milan Momcilovic. Blue to 150 Layden Blocker. To 75 Deshaun Harris Smith for Maryland. To 100 Jackson Shellstad, Pink Lava, Oregon. Auto is going to be Elmarco Jackson for Kansas on the gold. Greatness awaits. Congrats on that one there, Kansas. Rock Chalk Jayhawk. Cameron Brink, so I can do the thing. Sab's girl. Sab has a huge crush on Cameron Brink, just so you know.
Oh, yeah?
Mackenzie Mbako. Jersey auto.
She has no idea who he is.
No, for Indiana. And then L. Ellis for Arkansas.
So it means nothing.
On the Jersey auto as well. Congrats on that. All right, quick recap. Start with our numbered cards. To 50, Georgia Amore, Omaha Billiu, Mookie Cook, TJ Bamba, Caitlin Clark, Georgia Amore, a Ryan Kalkbrenner to 25, Diamond Johnson, Sean Stewart, Zayden High, Rob Dillingham to 15. Autos, you've got L. Ellis, Mackenzie Mbako, Isaiah Collier, Scotty Middleton, Max Asmus, Justin Edwards, Scotty Middleton, Jamari McDowell, Elmarco Jackson, Reed Shepard, Boogie Ellis, Eric Dixon, Santiago Vescovi, and Sean Stewart to 15. Had an orange Cody Williams to 25. And then a true gold Caitlin Clark to 50. I'll do it for the break, everybody. Thanks again for the fill. Up next is whatever's full.